Welcome. If you want to download iOS launcher on your Wiko Harry, let's go for the Play Store. Tap on search pool and type iOS launcher. You can also take it from the quick list, and we have to get this app from Lutin developer. So let's install. Right now we can open. And right now just accept permissions. Then tap on the home icon. Select iOS Launcher 14 and click Always. Right now tap that we got it. Right now just move it on the left or the right side, and here we are with this iOS launcher. We can, for example, edit the widgets, we can add the batteries here. And enter for the iOS one more time. And here we can, for example, add the control center or just change the blur effects or the animation. So there's a lot of things that you can customize. And we can also try to edit the icons of our home screen. And as you can see, that's how it looks. So enjoy this launcher. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.